Ma.
Good morning student, this is your second video related to chapter 13, that is our clothes, and in this video we will cover textbook exercises, that is on page number 98 and 99, and our first exercise is spell bee. First exercise is spell bee. In this exercise, we have to read the word and write them twice. So, read aloud the following words and write them twice. It means you have to read the given words, मतलब उसको अच्छे से रीड करना है, फिर उसको उस वर्ड को हमें 2 बार लिखना है. Now let us see. First word is cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. After that you have to write this word 2 times. Student, cotton, what do you mean by cotton? आपने कॉटन के कपड़े तो पहने होंगे. कब पहनते हैं हम कॉटन के कपड़े? We wear cotton cloth in summer season. So cotton, cotton. In this way you have to write 2 times. Now second word is sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. When we wear sweater in winter season. So sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Again you have to write the word sweater. Now the third word is jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. We wear jacket in winter season. So we have to write this word 2 times. J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Jacket. Now the fourth word is gloves. बच्चों आपको पता है ग्लव्स किसे बोलते हैं हम? जो हाथों में हम दस्ताना पहनते हैं, that is called gloves. So we wear gloves in winter season. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. In this way you have to complete other 3 words, that is on page number 99. The words are thread, waterproof and uniform. You have to complete this exercise in your textbook. Now the second exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First fill up. In India, rainy season is also known as dash. In India, rainy season is also known as dash. Student, think this answer. Okay. Now the second is we obtain silk from dash. We obtain silk from dash, from dash. Third is umbrellas and raincoat are made up of dash material. Umbrellas, umbrellas and raincoat are made up of dash material. Now the fourth one is clean clothes keep us dash and make us look dash. Fourth, clean clothes keep us dash and make us look dash. Student, can you answer these questions? Can you answer these questions? First is in India rainy season is also known as, हमने क्या बताया था, रेनी सीजन को और कौन सा सीजन बोला जाता है? That is called monsoon. MONSOON, monsoon. Second is we obtain silk from, हमें सिल्क किससे मिलता है? जैसे कि हमने एनिमल्स चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा था, राइट? जैसे कि हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि सिल्क हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? सिल्क वॉर्म से. सो वी गेट सिल्क फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म. Now the third one is umbrellas and raincoat are made up of dash material. Umbrella और raincoat किससे बनता है? हमने क्या पढ़ा था? रेनी सीजन जब हम पढ़ रहे थे 3 types of clothes, that is cotton clothes, cotton cloth and woolen clothes, waterproof clothes. So umbrellas and raincoat are made up of waterproof material. Fourth is clean clothes keep us dash and makes us look dash and makes us look smart. So clean clothes keep us healthy and makes us look, हम जब कपड़े अच्छे से पहनते हैं, अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं साफ सुथरे, तो हम कैसे दिखते हैं? We look smart. Now next exercise is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. इसमें हमें कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, उसके 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं और 3 ऑप्शंस में आपको बताना है कि सूटेबल ऑप्शन उस आंसर क्वेश्चन के लिए कौन सा है. नाउ फर्स्ट इज क्लोथ्स दैट एब्जॉर्ब स्वेट आर मेड अप ऑफ विच फैब्रिक? क्लोथ्स दैट एब्जॉर्ब sweat made up of which fabrics? Which fabric? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि वो कौन सा कपड़ा है जो हमारे जो पसीना होता है उसको एब्जॉर्ब करता है, यानी कि उसको सुखा लेता है, अपने अंदर समा लेता है, वो कौन सा फैब्रिक यूज होता है? सो ऑप्शंस आर वूल, cotton, waterproof material. Student, think the answer. Now the second question is, from where do we obtain wool? From where do we obtain wool? Your options are leaves, fruits or sheep. Leaves, fruits, sheep. Question number 3 is, which of the following is used to protect our feet from getting wet in rain? Which of the following is used to protect our feet from getting wet in rain? Your options are socks, gumboots, gloves. Socks, gumboots, gloves. Okay, students. First is clothes that absorb sweat made up of which fabric? Wool. Wool absorb sweat. Cotton. जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा था, in summer season we wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes absorb sweat. So correct option is option B, that is cotton. Now second question is, from where do we obtain wool? We obtain wool from sheep, rabbit, right? So leaves? No. Fruits? No. So correct option is option C, that is sheep, right? Now question number 3 is, which of the following is used to protect our feet from getting wet in rain? इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन है कि जो बारिश में हमारे पैरों को बचाता है गीला होने से? सो फर्स्ट इज सॉक्स यानी कि मोजे, सेकंड इज गम बूट्स जो हम जूते पहनते हैं बारिश में, या ग्लव्स, हैंड ग्लव्स, वो हमें गीला होने से बचाते हैं हमारे पैरों को. सो आंसर इज गम बूट्स. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ एक्सरसाइज इज match the following. You have to match the written words with the images. This you have to do it yourself. This is your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt in this exercise, please you can contact me anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.